Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Pro and this is lab 12.665 and we're going to use nslookup. So you need to ensure that email is routed from the internet to your mail server. You want to know the mail server address for copnet.xyz. Complete this lab from the terminal. In this lab, your task is to query the default DNS server for the primary IP address of the copnet.xyz domain. Query the default DNS server for the copnet.xyz mail server and determine its IP address. Confirm the copnet.xyz mail server information by querying the external DNS server. Alright, I guess that is all we need to do in this lab. So let us go ahead and start lab right away. So we'll wait for the lab to load. In the meantime, if by the end of this tutorial you find this video to be helpful, you also want to consider joining my professional membership where you have detailed one-on-one video guidance on how to solve any of the TestOut lab at all, no matter how complicated it is. Also consider liking and subscribing to the channel so that you have access to a wide variety of educational video materials to help you in your educational journey. The lab has loaded successfully, so let's go ahead and open terminal. And then we'll start up with the first task. So query the default DNS server for the primary IP. Okay, so we type in nslookup and space copnet.xyz. You press enter and then we go ahead and answer the question. So what is the primary IP address of the copnet.xyz domain? That is going to be 192.1.28.1.1. and then we minimize this and continue with our terminal. So query the default DNS server for the copnet.xyz mail server. Okay, so we type in nslookup space dash type equal to mx space copnet.xyz and you press enter. And then you type in nslookup space copnet dash www dot so it's gonna be www3.copnet.xyz and we'll press enter. And we'll go ahead and answer the questions. What is the IP address of the server that received mail for the copnet.xyz? And that is going to be, from our terminal, it's going to be 198.28.1.3. Does the extend? Okay, let's minimize this and continue with our terminal. So nslookup dash typ dash equal to mx space copnet dot xyz dot ns ns1.net hosts.net. Press enter, and okay, we'll go ahead and answer the final question. Does the external DNS server match the DNS server? Yes, it does. So we'll go ahead and score lab. So if you find this video to be helpful, remember to share in other educational platforms like Facebook and Twitter and Instagram, TikTok and YouTube, so that other students can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.